Places like these are where most of the world's plastics end up, in landfills. And a fair amount of it ends up in the world's oceans. But a new British recycling firm wants it to end up here.
There is a great demand right now for recycled material. There's a great deal of interest in getting recycling into the plastics industry especially. And so we are really going to facilitate the ability to get plastic into the circular economy.
The firm, called Recycling Technologies, is breaking down plastic, then turning it into fuel oils or feedstock to make new plastic.
Basically, currently, all we do is we make a hydrocarbon soup, and then we distill that out at different temperatures. So at the higher temperatures, the waxes separate out, then we cool it a bit more, and the heavy oils, then we cool it a bit more, the light oils, and then the rest comes out as naphtha. The gases that don't condense out, we actually use as the fuel for the process.
Their process is creating a heavy fuel oil that works for marine vessels.
We call it a clean crude oil because it has very little sulfur in it, in fact almost none, which certainly also fits with the new regulations for marine fuel, where they're asking for much lower sulfur around the world. So it's a very valuable product.
Right now, the firm is recycling about 7,000 tons of plastic a year, but says it can quickly ramp up.
We are designing to a 4-day installation. We will basically come in as 6 isofreight containers, which will stand on end, clip together in the plug-and-play mode, and the intent is to be up and running within 4 days. So this is definitely not a refinery concept. This is much more a piece of standalone industrial equipment.
The company has set the ambitious goal of selling 1,300 of their recycling units around the world during the next decade, and expect they will be able to recycle 9 million tons of plastic each year. Kevin Enochs, VOA News.